Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Bitget wallet. So you're looking to create a Bitget wallet. What do? Simply open up your Play Store or App Store and simply make search of the Bitget. So once you search for Bitget, simply scroll through, you'll find the Bitget wallet. So click on Bitget wallet and click on the install option. By installing this wallet, all you need to do when it's done is click on the open. And here we go, the Bitget Web3. Click on allow, embark on a new journey, explore safely and trade securely. Your ultimate gateway into Web3. So click on OK. And now you're met with the option to either create a wallet or import a wallet. You could easily create or import a wallet depending on what you want to do. So we're going to be creating a wallet. So click on create a wallet. Now you could have a keyless wallet. You could have a keyless wallet, which is an MC sharding technology enabled via your Google and email and supports cloud backup, simplifying for ease and convenience. So you could simply click on keyless wallet and simply sign in with your Google account or your email. So depending on the options you go with, and I'm going to be selecting an account. So let's go with this account. And then you're met with the settings MPC payment password. So you're going to set a standalone 8-digit payment password for your keyless wallet to enable transaction security. So once you've entered this password and verify your key shards. So once it's done, just one more step and you're ready to go. So the wallet is being created. It's saving our key shard now. So remain on the page. Once it's done, all right, wallet creation successful. Please set a device password. So you're going to have to set a password or you could use your biometrics. So simply enter a passcode to get access to your wallet. So once you've entered the passcode, you could also activate your fingerprint authentication for enabling security. For iOS devices, it's going to be your Face ID. So you could either activate now, which is what I'm done, and boom. Welcome to the Bitget Wallet, where you could simply send, receive, buy, and so many other options. You could also trade. You could make use of the wallet. That is your wallet section at the bottom right. You have your tokens, your NFTs, your DeFi solutions, your tools as well. So if you head to the home section, you can find news and any other important info. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.